Are you working in a protective service industry? If so, this video is for you. Now, you're currently working at the protective industry, and I understand it could be a very dangerous job. And you might be stuck, or you just might want to retire early, or just want to stop working completely. And if this is what you want, this video is for you. So in this video, we're going to see if we can replace the correctional officer salary with the high yield cover call ETF. Now, the ETF that we're going to use is QQQI, and QQQI pays a 14% yield. We're going to break the salaries down into three categories: entry, median, and peak level salary. All right, guys, let's jump to the numbers. Okay, guys, so let's get into the salary range. All right, we're going to start with the entry level salary for a corrections officer. The entry level salary for correction officers ranges anywhere from $40,000 to $55,000 a year. So if we wanted to get our QQQI figures, we would have to take 40,000 and divide it by 0.14 and 55,000 divided by 0.14. That's going to give us a QQQI portfolio of $285,000 to $393,000. All right, let's go to the next one. The mid-level salary for a correctional officer ranges from $56,000 to $75,000 a year. If we wanted to use these figures to get our QQQI figures in our portfolio, we would have to take 56,000 divided by 0.14 and 75,000 divided by 0.14. That's going to give us a QQQI portfolio of around $400,000 to $536,000. All right, guys, last but not least, the peak salary. So the peak salary for a corrections officer ranges anywhere from $80,000 a year to $110,000 a year. So if we wanted to get our QQQI figures, we would need to take 80,000 divided by 0.14 and 110,000 divided by 0.14. And that's going to give us a QQQI portfolio range of $576,000 to $785,000. All right, guys, that concludes the numbers. Like I said at the beginning of the video, as a correctional officer, I mean, these people, they get paid really good money. But at the same time, it is very dangerous because, they're dealing with inmates, they're dealing with murderers, drug dealers. I mean, anything can go. So correctional officers have to be ready. So with all that danger and stress, that can come to mental fatigue, which is not good for your health. Now, if you are a person that is wanting to retire early or just retire in general, the question that you need to ask yourself is, how much money do I need to make, or not make, but how much money do I need to have in a portfolio in order to reach financial freedom? And again, the equation that you need to use is take your salary and divide it by 0.14. Or if you're not using QQQI, you can use a different ETF. So basically, whatever that ETF pays, so if it pays a 10% yield, it's 0.10. If it pays a 20% yield, it's 0.2. If it's a 5% yield, it is 0.5. So basically, it is the salary divided by the dividend yield, and you got to turn that into a decimal, and then that will get your equation. Sorry, not equation, but that will get you your answer. And once you get your answer, all you got to do is continue that journey and reach it. Now, guys, I am not saying that this is going to be easy, and it's going to be a challenge, and it's going to take a while. And I'm not going to promise you that you're going to retire in 5, 10, 15 years, or even 20 years. It may even take you longer. It all depends on you. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like the video. And also, guys, hit that notification bell so you know when my next videos will pop up. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.